Good day, everyone. I'm Marilu Candelaria, first year college student, taking Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education from SC20 Bicol Lozana Cluster. Today, I will present my cognitive activity design project based on the theory of Jean Piaget, particularly
Ito po yung mga
focusing on the
materials na gagamitin
pre-operational
namin para
stage,
sa aming pagtuturo.
which includes children ages 2 to
Yan.
7 years of age.
May toys,
According to Jean Piaget, children in this
mga
stage
bola,
begin to develop symbolic
sand
thinking.
clay,
This means they can
mga
use
colors po,
images
mga
and
colors,
object to represent something
poster
else.
paint at
However,
acrylic paint,
their thinking is still
paintbrush,
intuitive and
coloring book.
egocentric. They learn best through play, imagination,
Siyempre po
and
mga
hands-on
printed
activities.
materials po
For this
na
stage, I
pagkukulayan ng mga
designed
bata.
an interactive activity, art activity, coloring activity, and
Ito po yung mga
identifying
toys
shapes
sa music,
and painting.
mga blocks,
This activity
puzzle.
allows children to color, paint, and familiarize shape. We also prepare to play and dance. Let me explain the objective of this activity. First, children will able to identify and name basic colors and objects. Second, they will express their ideas and imagination through coloring. And third, they will develop fine motor skills through art activities such as holding crayons and paintbrushes. This activity matches the cognitive abilities of children in pre-operational stage because children at this stage enjoy pretend, play, and creative expression. Coloring allows them to use symbols and imagination, which is a key characteristic of this stage. They also still developing fine motor control, so using crayons and brushes help straightening their hand and finger muscles. Additionally, children in this stage learn best through visual and hands-on experience rather than abstract instruction. By allowing them to explore color freely, they build understanding through active learnings. In conclusion, this cognitive activity supports the development needs of children ages 2 to 7 years by combining creativity, exploring, and skill development aligned with Jean Piaget pre-operational stage. Thank you.
Kumuha ka doon ng isa.
Tapos natin magsayaw, magbabahay-bahay.
Dance na. Ano pala yan? Po. Tubig. Labasan na tubig. Hindi na. Dantas na doon.